So what numbers are we not going to look at today? Adam, what's a number that we're not going to look at today? 1,892. Way more than 2 digits. What's another one, Madison? One more number we're not, huh? 100. How many digits does it have? 3. Okay. So what we're going to do to start is I need somebody to come up here and choose a number for our tens digit and then a number for our ones, and then to show us what number you've made. Garrett, come choose one from each. And you guys, your job is to look at the number and start thinking, what do you know about that number that he's making? Okay, now put them together. So put them together so it's a 2 digit. How would you put it together? What's 70 then plus 2 more? Garrett, what number have you made? 72. Okay, everybody else, your job is to be thinking, what do you know about the number 72? Just think for a moment. What do you know about the tens digit, ones digit? What do you know about greater than, less than? Who thinks they can tell me everything they know about the number 72? What do you know?
I know that there's a 7 in the tens place and then a 1 in the ones. I mean a 2 in the ones place.
Okay. Anybody know something different about the number 72? Landon?
I know that the tens digit is more than the ones digit.
Because 7 is more than 2, so if we're just looking at the digits, okay. Olivia, you know something different?
I know that 2 is less than 7.
You know that 2 is less than. Can anybody think of a number that 72 is greater than or less than? Maybe you could finish the sentence, 72 is greater than. What do you think, Garrett? You drew the number, tell us something about it.
72 is less than 82.
72 is less than 82. Can somebody tell me now 72 is greater than? Adam?
72 is greater than 71.
Who can repeat what Adam just said? It's a little quiet. Did you hear? Riley, can you repeat what he said?
72 is greater than 71.
Is that what you said, Adam? Good job. Make sure we're loud and proud. Okay. Now we're going to put the number 72 to the side. I need somebody else to come up here and make a different 2-digit number. Jordan, come up and make a different one for me. And your job is to be thinking, what do I know about the number? Why are we chuckling? Why is that funny or interesting to us? Smiley, why is that interesting?
Because the last number was 72, but then it switched to 27.
So you mean that when we switch those digits, is this the same number or is it a different number? Different number. Okay, good job. That was kind of lucky that he picked that. Now your job is to turn and talk. Whoever you're sharing your eraser with is your turn and talk buddy. Turn and talk and tell them everything you know about the number 27. Do that now. Kennedy, will you share something that you guys said about the number 27?
I told my group that there's 7 tens and 2 ones.
Okay. Group, did you agree with that? That there's 7 tens and 2 ones? What do you think?
I mean 10 twos and
Which number tells us the tens place in 27? Group, help her out. Kylie and Emma, you guys talk to her. Help her out. And I'm going to show you this. We started with 20, and then we add 7 more. Does that help you know which one is the tens and where the ones are? Want to ask for help? Okay, ask for help.
Question. There's two tens.
Tell the person to ask.
There's 2 tens in the ones place, two tens in the tens place, which is the number 2 in the first one.
Okay.
And then there's 7 ones in the ones place, which is the second.
That's you, Barbara. Go turn it off. Okay, so Kennedy, can you repeat that now? Where's the tens place?
There's 10 twos and 7 ones.
Okay, are there 10 twos or 2 tens?
2 tens.
2 tens and then 7 ones. That's kind of tricky to say. Did anybody say anything about even or odd? Did you use what we learned yesterday? And do you know something about 27? Adam?
27 is odd.
27 is odd. Now, did you count all the way to 27 and check for partners?
No.
How would you figure out if 27 is odd? How would you figure that out? James?
By the ones digit.
By the ones digit, we just look at the 7, and then we look to see if it has a partner. Very good. Okay, let's do one more. Let's see. Ashlyn, will you come up and make a number for us? We need a tens and a ones. What number? And remember, your job, think about everything you know about that number. There you go. Okay, Ashlyn, tell the class, what number have you made?
39.
39. Okay, you can have a seat with your partner. And have a seat, Ashlyn. With your partner, tell them what you know about the number 39. Go.
That
Okay, check that.
3 is...
Okay. I've heard from one group. I'm wondering. Hudson, what did you guys talk about? What do you know about 39?
I talked about that 3 is less than 9, but the 9 is in the ones place.
So which digit has more value then, the 3 or the 9?
9.
Does it? Is 9 ones more than 3 tens?
I mean the 3.
The 3 has more because really what number is the 30 or the 3 representing?
The 30.
The 30, so it's the 30 part, so it's actually more. Calvin, tell us one more thing that you guys knew about the number 39.
That they're both odd numbers.
Both digits are odd. We talked about 39 was an odd number, but we didn't talk about the 3 is odd and the 9 is odd. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to give you a hundreds chart because I think that that's a tool that's going to help you in this next part. And we're going to be solving some number puzzles. So I want you to think about a puzzle. And what are you trying to solve when you have a puzzle? What are you trying to solve? Saida? What's the point of a puzzle?
We're trying to put the pieces together.
We're trying to put some pieces together. Well, that's what we're going to do, but except we're going to, instead of like actual pieces, we're going to use number clues. So today you guys are going to try to figure out what my mystery number is. Anthony? Okay, here's what you need to know to do that. I'm going to give you clues, and those clues are really like rules. And you have to follow the rules in order to get the right mystery number. The second thing you've got to know is that you're going to go through these rules or clues one at a time, and you're going to try to figure out which numbers don't fit the rule and which numbers do. And so you can kind of cross out or eliminate a lot of the numbers based on the rules. But then the third thing is you actually have to pay attention to all of the rules.
Really?
Sometimes we get stuck on just one of the rules and we think we know the answer, but you have to listen to all of them, okay? So everybody's getting a hundreds board. Everybody has a marker and you're going to share an eraser, but everybody's going to be working on this. I'm going to share with you some number puzzles. So let's see. Landon, will you take one and then pass it down? So you're going to take one, give the rest to Adam, and he'll do the same. Kennedy, take one and pass it down.